I'm going nuts here, thinking how I could have been brave, not a quitter. Yes, I could stop now, but I'm gonna practice my aim in the mirror. Tonight I'm holding out till the morning. I'm holding out till the morning comes, and I can have your attention and show you how I'm the only one to break down your walls, hijack your brain, run through your veins. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna crawl through your skin, get through your head, fight till the end. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna move like a soldier. It's such a letdown. How come I just can't put my money where my mouth is? Yeah, instead of letting me down, I should be filling you up. Instead of running away, I should be making you stay tonight. Holding out till the morning comes, when I can get your attention and show you how I'm the only one to break down your walls, hijack your brain, run through your veins. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna crawl through your skin, get through your head, fight till the end. I'm gonna move like a soldier. I'm gonna move like a soldier. When I find you, not gonna let you go. When I find you, not gonna let you go.